super important news. Two things. Number one, merchandise. British Cook merchandise is now live. I'm working in partnership with iwantoneofthose.com, who are owned by the Hut Group, who own Muscle Food and many other brands, to do my merchandise online. They ship pretty much everywhere, hundreds of countries, all over the place. You can buy t-shirts, hoodies, women's clothes, cups, mugs, so much more. The only thing you can't buy is this one-off embroidered apron, which I'm giving away to one of my patrons by the end of the month. But you can pretty much buy everything else that you want. Check it out. The link is down in the description below and in the first comment. Number two, I have very recently joined an application called Musical.ly. Look for British Cook on there. Now, I don't want to blow my own horn, but I do exclusive content just for Musical.ly, and my first video had over 700,000 views in less than a day. Come and find me on Musical.ly, look for British Cook. I am and I always will be a YouTuber. I love YouTube. I've got so many friends and so much community here. I think you're amazing. I do also have an amazing, really cool new video coming out on YouTube quite soon. But check me out Musical.ly, check out my merchandise stall, and keep coming back here for new content. So from me, British Cook, I'll see you all soon.